Good morning students. Today we'll start with some new concepts of this chapter. The first concept is that the sum of measure of the exterior angle of any polygon is always 360 degree. If it is a triangle, then also sum of exterior angle is 360 degree. If it is a pentagon, then also the sum of all 5 exterior angles is 360 degree in all the polygons. The second concept is how to find out the number of sides of a regular polygon. The formula for this is that number of sides of a regular polygon is always equal to sum of exterior angles of the polygon divided by measure of each exterior angle. Now this is always for regular polygon. You need to note down this regular polygon. If exterior angle is not given to you, then you can calculate exterior angle also. In case if sides are given to you, number of sides, then how to find out the measure of each exterior angle? So the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to sum of exterior angles divided by number of sides of regular polygon. Beta, now I am making you learn these formulas, these two formulas. Number of sides, both these formulas are for regular polygon. How to calculate number of sides or how to calculate the measure of each exterior angle. The common part ऊपर क्या आएगा? Sum of exterior angle. अब वो चाहे कोई भी polygon हो, it's always 360 degree. So आप इसकी जगह क्या लिख सकते हो? Sum of exterior angle is always going to be 360 degree divided by measure of each exterior angle if you are calculating number of sides. और अगर each exterior angle calculate करना है तो आपको नीचे denominator में क्या आ जाएगा? That is number of sides. These both formulas are interlinked with each other. सिर्फ मैंने इन दोनों के प्लेस को चेंज करा है and you are getting this formula. Now in the first question, A part, you are supposed to find out this value of x degree. Now see beta, you need to observe this x 125 and 125. All these are exterior angles. So you can always use the property of exterior angle, that sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. So according to question, x degree plus 125 degree plus 125 degree is equal to 360 degree, and you can solve for it and find out the value of x. Do the calculation yourself. Now see beta, B part. Now this x is exterior, this 70 is also exterior, this sine is of 90 degree and it is also exterior, 60 degree is also exterior, but this angle is interior. जब मैं सारे एंगल एक्सटीरियर ले रही हूँ तो इसका भी एक्सटीरियर लेंगे. So this is your exterior angle. Give it as angle 1. So first of all you will be calculating this as angle 1. So now this is a straight line. So angle 1 plus 90. You will start this question like this. Angle 1 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree by linear pair. So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 90. That comes out to be 90 degree. Now you can write angle 1, start in a cyclic clockwise or anti-clockwise, it's your choice, कैसे भी चलो, but बेटा move carefully. 60 degree, 1 angle 1 plus 60 degree plus this sine is of 90 degree plus this is 70 degree, next is x degree, और हम वापस 1 पे आ गए जहाँ से हमने स्टार्ट करा था. अब बेटा ये exterior angles हैं सारे, so this is equal to 360 degree only, and the reason you will write sum of exterior angles. Now angle 1 you have calculated. Next step पे क्या करोगे आप? 1 की जगह क्या लिख दोगे? So 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 90 plus 70 plus x is equal to 360 degree. Add these and calculate for x. You will get the value of the required angle. The next question is, the number of sides is given to you as 9 and you are supposed to find out measure of each exterior angle of regular polygon. Each exterior angle you have to calculate and it's of a regular polygon. So what was the formula? The formula was it's equal to sum of exterior angles divided by, जब आपको each exterior angle निकालना है तो किससे डिवाइड करना था? It was to be divided by number of sides. So it's equal to sum of exterior angle is 360 degree. Number of sides given to you is 9. So divided by 9. And the answer is 40 degree. So the measure of each exterior angle is 40 degree. In question number 3, you are supposed to calculate that how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree. Now an exterior angle means one of the angle is given. Now it was a regular polygon, it means all exterior angles are equal. So number of sides you are supposed to calculate. Now number of sides, the formula is equal to sum of exterior angles of polygon divided by measure of each exterior angle. So that's equal to sum of exterior angle is always 360 degree. Now each exterior angle was given to you as 24. So do the calculation. It's divisible by 4 and now by 6. So the number of side is 15 sides. In question number 4, you are given that the measure of each interior angle is given to you of a regular polygon as 165 degree and the number of sides are asked. अब हमारे पास जो फॉर्मूला था बेटा नंबर ऑफ साइड्स का, उसमें हमें क्या चाहिए था? I needed measure of each exterior angle, but exterior angle is not given to you, it's interior angle. Now I am taking an example to make it clear. Suppose you have this equilateral triangle. It's an equilateral triangle. Is it a regular polygon? Equilateral triangle? Yes. The measure of each is 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. Now what will be the measure of this exterior angle? By linear pair, it will come out to be 120 degree. Now this exterior angle, this will also come out to be 120 degree, and this exterior angle, it will also come out to be, by linear pair you can check, these all angles are equal. So if it is a regular polygon, then all interior angles are also equal as well as all exterior angle are also equal. Now if this angle is given to you, can you calculate one of this exterior angle? Interior angle plus exterior angle, it's always equal to 180 degree, and the reason is linear pair. So I am writing this formula here. Interior angle plus exterior angle. In the short I have written it's equal to 180 degree. The reason is linear pair. Now this interior angle was given to you as 165. Put the value 165 plus exterior angle. I am talking exterior angle means I am talking about the measure of each exterior angle. It's equal to 180 degree. So what is the measure of each exterior angle now? Measure of each exterior angle, it's equal to 180 degree minus 165 degree, that gives you 15 degree. You can do the subtraction and find out. Now you have calculated each exterior angle. Now I think so everybody will be able to calculate the number of side. So we have to calculate number of sides of this regular polygon. Now what is the formula for number of sides of a regular polygon? Number of sides is equal to sum of exterior angles, measure of exterior angles of regular polygon, and we are supposed to divide it by, it's always by measure of each exterior angle. So this is equal to 360 degree divided by each exterior angle was equal to 15 degree. Do this cancelling. 15 2s are 30 and 15 4s are 60. So it comes out to be 24 sides of this polygon whose each interior angle was 165 The number of side is 24.